Assalamualaikum to everyone. I welcome you once again to my class, and here we are going to discuss section A from the question bank. ठीक है, तो पहला क्वेश्चन आपकी क्वेश्चन बैंक का which is related to poetry is read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. The dog feels lack of confidence because of the entrance of pirate, of the confusion of the other animals bravery या फिर of the dragon's bravery. द आंसर इज ऑफ द एंट्रेंस ऑफ पायरेट, क्योंकि उससे पहले जो बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहा था, क्लेम कर रहा था कि वो ये है वो है, जब पायरेट आता है तो उसका असली कलर दिख जाता है. सो डॉग फील्स लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस बिकॉज ऑफ द एंट्रेंस ऑफ पायरेट. देन हु स्पोक आफ्टर मस्टर्ड. मस्टर्ड के बाद किसने बोला? लेट्स फाइंड आउट द आंसर फ्रॉम द पैसेज. प्रेजेंटली अप स्पोक लिटिल डॉग मस्टर्ड, इसके बाद किसने बोला? I'd have I would have been twice as brave as I sorry I would have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. And up spoke ink and up spoke blink. तो mustard के बाद ink और blink ने बोला. So our answer is here. Ink and blink is your answer. According to Custard, he was अकॉर्डिंग टू कस्टर्ड. अगेन यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजिंग वे में दिया है. कस्टर्ड किसके बारे में सोच रहा है, अपने बारे में या किसी और के बारे में? तो यहाँ पर हम लेंगे कि कस्टर्ड वॉज कॉन्सिडरिंग हिमसेल्फ एज अनहीरोइक. ठीक है, वो खुद को ब्रेव नहीं समझता था, ना ही क्रेजी और ना ही बोल्ड, वो अनहीरोइक समझता था. टोटल नंबर ऑफ एनिमल्स मेंशन्ड इन दिस स्टैंजा आर, कितने हैं? फर्स्ट वन इज मस्टर्ड, देन देयर इज इंक, देन देयर इज ब्लिंक and custard. और तो कोई नहीं है. So 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 animals which are talked about. So this is your answer. Who is mustard? Confident dog, brave dog, both A and B, none of the above. Again, this question is incomplete. I mean, if we take mustard by whatever he talks about himself, तो वो confident था, brave था, both A and B. But when the pirate enters, जब pirate की entry होती है, उसका true color दिख जाता है. वो actually में ना ही confident था ना ही brave था, तो उस हिसाब से none of the above आएगा. तो examination में इतना confusing question नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, आता भी है तो विल गो विद द एंड ऑफ द पोएम कि एंड में मस्टर्ड ना ही कॉन्फिडेंट होता है ना ही ब्रेव होता है, तो उसके हिसाब से आप नन ऑफ दी अबाव लिखोगे. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. How many loved your moments of glad grace and loved your beauty with love false or true, but one man loved the pilgrim soul in you and loved the sorrows of your changing face. अब यहाँ पे it has been given in the form of paraphrasing and you have to complete it taking the words and idea from the ये क्या है, स्टैंजा. आपको जो यहाँ पे ये स्टैंजा दिया गया है पैराफ्रेजिंग के फॉर्म में, आपको ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स फिल करने हैं. इन्फॉर्मेशन कहाँ से लेनी है? इस स्टैंजा से. ठीक है, द लाइन्स कोटेड अबाउ हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द पोएम व्हेन यू ओल्ड, written by a great modern Irish poet named W.B. Yeats. The poem is a love lyric expressing dash conception of love. या तो यहाँ पे आप spiritual लिखोगे, spiritual conception of love. What's wrong with me today? Divine conception of love. इन दोनों में से कोई भी आएगा. ठीक है, the given stanza of 4 lines has rhyming scheme. ये जो यहाँ पे stanza दिया गया है, इसकी rhyming scheme क्या है? Grace is rhyming with this particular word face, true and you. That means A B B A. So the answer is A B B A. It is addressed to the poet's dash, poet's beloved. The poet tells his beloved that his love is spiritual. His love is the pilgrim soul in her. His love is different from that of those lovers of hers who love her physical beauty. They will stop loving her when she grows old and grey. You will mention both old and grey. The poet believes that his love will never end and his beloved will come to know the real worth of his love when she grows old. So it was quite easy, nothing complicated in this particular stanza. Then number 3. Look there in that smithy, it's a red oven, fierce flames. The padlocks are already opening their mouths, and each fetter is scurrying around. The literal meaning of the word smithy here is blacksmith. है ना? Padlocks have metallic bar of shape. किस शेप के होते हैं पैडलॉक्स? यूजली यू शेप के होते हैं, है ना? ऐसे ही होते हैं ना यूजली, सो यू शेप के ही होते हैं. What word means a chain or shackle for feet? It is fetter. ठीक है, ये बुक में भी आपकी मीनिंग दिया गया है. Synonym of fierce is, it is ferocious. Ferocious, ठीक है. The oven is red because of, oven is red because of what? Metal, red cloth, blood या flames. Oven is red because of flames. ठीक है. अगर metaphorically ये पूछे यहाँ पे, the metaphorically oven is red because of, that is blood. Okay, which is shed by the atrocities which is caused to people by the oppressors. ठीक है. लेकिन यहाँ पे लिटरल मीनिंग ही पूछा गया है तो फ्लेम्स आंसर आएगा. ठीक. इन द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, लॉर्ड यू माई होप एंड ट्रस्ट लीड मी टू द वे ऑफ ट्रूथ. ये पूरा नहीं पढ़ेंगे, सीधे हम ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. ओके, सो द पोएट कॉल्स डैश हिज होप एंड ट्रस्ट लॉर्ड. ये बहुत ईजी है. He calls upon God to lead him to the path of truth. The poet has so far been living a life of ignorance. Okay? He prays to God to bless him with, he prays to God to bless him with nectar of knowledge. Sika. Nectar of knowledge. Then the poet prays to God to cure him of his ills and pains. D ka ills and pains. He wants God to be kind to him each moment. He does not want to feel dash of anything in his life. He does not want to feel want of anything in his life. So he prays to God to fill his heart to save him from laziness and weakness. He prays to God to fill his heart with passion, enthusiasm, and hope. Yeah, so we're done. Next. My house was named the house of flowers. Let's not read it. The poet talks about dash in these lines. किसके बारे में poet बात करता है? अपने house के बारे में. About house in these lines. As it was bursting with life, flowers, dogs, children were running and playing. His house was called Beautiful House. यहाँ पे आंसर अच्छे से दिया है. Because dash spread throughout. What spread throughout? Geraniums exploded. That means they spread throughout his house, making it pleasant and prosperous. The poet refers to his friends. कौन कौन से फ्रेंड्स की बात करता है? रैफल एंड फेडरिको. उससे पहले राउल. ओके, राउल, रॉफल and Federico. The stanza reveals that the poet's friends are dead. कैसे पता चला आपको? You can read out the line over here. Raul, you agree, Raffle, Federico, you agree, beneath the earth. Because they are dead and now they are buried. So they are beneath the earth. ठीक है? Okay, that was all from the poetry section. So in the next video, I am going to discuss section D again. ठीक है? So till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed and best of luck for your exams.